time ago, I don't believe in regrets. I just wish I hadn't made so many mistakes. It's a very different thing. You can't go through life with regrets. And What Am I is a little bit autobiographical, but it's also, it's a song that could be applied to people from different walks of life. You know, no matter who you are, what you are, your sexuality, your religion or whatever, you've got to have some dignity. And you've got to be able to walk tall and be your own person. And that's kind of what it's about.
Listening to Marvin all night long. This is the seed of the something else. Oh, my soul. This is the sound.
I think it's a great country. It's, you know, I mean, in terms of fashion, I mean, most of the suits that I wear are Italian. My shoes are Italian. And also, I mean, just it's a beautiful country in terms of the countryside, but the food, the wine, it's an amazing. And also, people have always been very kind to Spandau Ballet from I'll Fly For You onwards. And they've also been very kind to me. So there's an emotion with the audience. And yeah, you guys are great, so I like them.
Tonight belongs to us, 'cause tonight.
Yeah, the other shows will be the TH Band, Richie Barrett's over there. Hello, Rich. And that's more kind of like, that's kind of, you know, whether I'm in the band or not, regardless, you know, I sang the songs and they mean something to me as well as the people that are out there in the audience. So I will always sing the classic Spandau stuff, but it's great to be able to say, hey, check this new song out as well. It's just cool.
Take your seats and arms and ride the next line. I want the tune to be known. Join the band. I know this much is true. Ooh, I know this, you're right. Much is